Moving ahead to question number 26 of Benjamin 2021, which reads as, my little brother has a 4-digit bike lock with digits 0 to 9 on each part of the lock. He started on the correct combination and turned each part the same amount in same direction. And now the lock shows the combination 6, 3, 4, 8. Which of the following cannot be the correct combination of my brother's lock? So now we have not been given a lot of hints, but we need to find out the incorrect combination from here. Well, all of them are incorrect, but the one that is not possible at all. So when someone tells me that they're going to spin it in same direction and at the same amount, that means all of the numbers or all the 4 numbers that you see over here are going to change by the same difference, right? So if 6 moves 1 step ahead, then obviously all the other 3 are going to move 1 step ahead as well. Let's take a look at an example of option A. Well, option A has 8 at the first, right? So that means it is moving 2 steps forward, right? So that means if 6 to 8 is 2 steps forward, 3 should also move 2 steps forward, and that makes it 5. That's correct. 4 should also move 2 steps forward. That makes it 6. And then 8 should also move 2 steps ahead. That should make it 10. But then since 10 is not an option, after 9, there is a 0. So it's visible right over here. So that means my option A is possible. Now let's take a look at option B. What has happened is 6 has reduced to 3. So that means it has been moved in the backwards direction, right? So that means all the other 3 blocks or all the other 3 numbers should also be rotated backwards. So 6 and 3 has a difference of 3. So obviously, everything should have -3, right? So 3 subtracted by 3 gives me 0. That is correct. Now 4 minus 3 makes it 1, which is correct as well. And 8 minus 3 makes it 5. Again, that's correct. So that makes option B as the correct option as well. Now we move to option C, and I can see that 6 and 4 has a difference of 2. So if I'm assuming 4 is correct, 3 minus 2 should give me 1, right? But I see that there's a 9. So that means instead of going backwards, it is going ahead, right? And that does not qualify with the statement over here, right? It says each part is turned the same amount in same direction, which is not happening in C. So that means C is our culprit, and we need not look any further because that's the only option that we were looking for, right? So C